What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Crawl TV. I'm out at Glen Helen Raceway in San Bernardino, California, and this video is a special video for you guys. Tomorrow, I will be co-driving in a freaking Volkswagen. Let's do this. So almost immediately, we got thrown into helping out with our team for car 1145. Now, this was the very first night we were here. This was the bracket and mobile wagon pit crew challenge, and we had to change a tire on the car before it was allowed to get off the line. So a lot of the success of the race actually depended on the pit crew and not the driver. As you can see here, these were the cars in front of us. One was clearly faster than the other, but we took notes on what to do when it was our turn. Oh, I got it. Jack down. Oh, go! They're running. Oh, yeah. All right, man. After we were done with the pit crew challenge, Steph and I were super tired, so we went back to our tent, which was about 20 yards from the track, and got a relaxing 0 hours of sleep before the next day started. Morning, everybody. It is Saturday, July 2nd. We're out here at Glen Helen Raceway in San Bernardino, California. And Steph and I got the opportunity to come out here because thanks to the Veterans Racing Alliance, I have the opportunity this morning to co-drive in a Class 11 car. So this is part of the Rock Buggy playlist only because this is originally what we were building when we started Rock Buggy. So I wanted to give you guys a taste of what our intention was and also give myself a taste of it because, let's be honest, this is my first time actually driving in one of these on the track. So I am super pumped. Let's go out to the track and run our first qualifying.
Nervous?
Not feeling nervous yet, but I don't know. So I just did the parade lap in qualifying with Josh Felix, and holy crap. Okay, first of all, most fun I've ever had in a car. It was freaking incredible. Wait,
the most
no,
fun you've ever had in
no,
a
it's
car?
not. But it's kids.
What?
No, it was amazing. It was so fun. It's crazy how tight you sit. Where if he shifts from like, I don't know, from third back to second, his elbow hits my elbow. It's like really, really tight, and you're just so crammed in this little car, and we hauled ass. I mean, I was looking at the speedometer, we were doing like 50, 60 miles an hour, and I was like, oh, I didn't know that Class 11s went this fast.
That was top speed.
Yeah. But it was so fun, and I actually held the GoPro the whole time, so I haven't seen that footage yet. I don't know what it'll look like. We got sprayed by the water truck twice, and both times it like completely wiped out our vision. We couldn't see anything. We were soaking wet coming into a turn at 60 miles an hour, and the GoPro got covered in mud, so we'll see how it plays out. But I am stoked. Josh was saying that he didn't push the car super hard, just enough to qualify, but to me it felt like we were pushing that thing pretty hard. I don't know.
Are you ready for
I'm so ready. I'm so ready. Yeah, but I don't think I'm gonna hold the GoPro. I think I need to actually hold on to the car just in case.
Yeah.
When you get into the soft corners in the Class 11s, they don't really like slide super well. They kind of skip, and it just constantly feels like the car's gonna go over. So I would like to have both hands, you know, like securely in the car. But right now we're going over to watch UTV qualifying.
Yeah.
So we'll see how that goes, and then I think in a couple of hours we'll be back in the 11 car. We dropped it off at Rugged Radios to get the intercom fixed, but we'll be back in the car, and we're gonna really race. So stay tuned for that. So after that qualifying lap, we pulled the car directly up to Rugged Radios. We actually didn't have intercom for that whole lap, so we were just shouting cross cockpit and giving each other hand signals, which kind of worked, but it was not ideal. So we were trying to get that fixed, and then we had a ton of time to kill between that qualifying lap and the main heat. We actually found out during that time that we qualified 7th, so we were pretty happy about that. That meant that as the cars launched 2 by 2 off the line for the main heat, we would be the 4th off the line. So we weren't terribly far behind. We set ourselves up pretty well, and we still had a chance to podium if we did well in the main race. And during that time that we had, Steph and I also walked around. We got some barbecue lunch. We got to chit chat with more people from the Veterans Racing Alliance, and we had time to set up our GoPros and get everything ready before we had to head back out for that main event.
There's no point to kill it. You just move it out of here.
Yeah, I have another tranny.
Huh?
I have another tranny.
Yeah, but just pull it over here.
I'm sorry, big guy. That was some of the best battling I've ever done, though.
That was so fun.
We got it all on video.
Yeah. That was awesome when you jumped across right in front of us.
Yeah, that was gnarly, wasn't it? So we can still race tonight.
Yeah.
What a bummer, dude. We had a good run and we were catching the leaders, dude.
That was really good.
Wow, that's fun.
All right, guys. So there are still cars driving in the background. We DNF'd. We lost second gear. We were doing really good, and we were battling that white car that's actually camped with us. So it's like a friendly rivalry, but we were back and forth with them. We were having an awesome time on this track, but unfortunately, second gear just turned into another neutral, and first gear is like way too slow, and third gear is just like blah, like way too high of a gear. So Felix, Josh has another transmission he's going to put in the car for the race tonight, but that's it for me and Steph. We actually have to go home, but I had the freaking time of my life in that car, you guys. And what's cool about this class is that there are people from all over the place out here. Steph and I had just as much fun sleeping in a tent and borrowing gear and co-driving as people that come out here with huge fifth wheels and all the money in the world to race in this class. So class 11 is just a freaking awesome time to race in, and I just had a blast. So I think that closes it out for this video. Thank you guys for watching. The next rock buggy video, we'll be back to normal. We'll be back in the shop working on our bug, which is no longer a class 11, but after today, I think that there's still one in our future. So thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next episode of Crawl TV. Just goofing. You're boot goofing.